Well, as you saw from the last video, we got this mini bike running, but we had to get it to shut off. So what we did was we mounted a kill switch. So keep watching this video and you're going to see how we mounted the kill switch. And you know what that means.
Let's drill some holes. On the on position? Yeah. Alright, fire it up again. Put it on the off. Now switch, okay. But either way, as long as it's in the off position, it won't shut off. So if I switch it to on, yeah. Then it'll shut off, yeah. So here we go. It's on. It's on the on position. Alright, go ahead and pull this baby. You ready? Ready? And start cramping on. Done. We have a winner. And a kill switch. Fired up. It's got an oil in it. And then back all the way towards me. All the way? No, towards me.
Well, this kill switch looks pretty darn cool on this bike. Basically what it is just drilling a hole right here, and it looks pretty darn clean. We got to clean up a little bit around here because we got some dust and a little bit of metal on it, but that's okay. There's two wires that come off of this thing, and we basically took two butt connectors from the switch that we bought, and we connected it into some wire that we had laying around, and it goes into this wire that comes out of the motor right here, and basically this grounds the coil, and there's just, it goes to that, and then it grounds right here to the engine block. Real simple, guys. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you how this kill switch works and kind of a little final part to this video. So right now it's in the off position. We're going to go ahead and switch it to the on position. I'm going to go ahead and pull the string because the motor should be ready to go now. Now that's on. Go ahead and switch it off right here. And that's it. Easy as that, guys. And next week, we're going to be going ahead and hooking the throttle up. And then hopefully finally taking this bike on a cruise. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.